2007 Fleetwood GearBox 40FD fifth wheel toy hauler for sale in Uxbridge, Massachusetts 01569. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2007 Fleetwood GearBox 40FD fifth wheel toy hauler. Is 40 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably sleeps up to 10 to 12 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide outs and 4 awnings, as well as a leveling system. This impressive toy hauler has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. Highlights of some of these features include: let's start off in the front of the camper. You have a master bedroom with closet, bureau, TV that swings out, full stand-up shower, sink with vanity, private bathroom with a real porcelain toilet and sprayer, step down into the kitchen area / living room area with island, kitchen table, sofa, swing out TV, double sink, sprayer, microwave, fridge / freezer, and tons of storage inside and out for all your kitchen needs. Both the sofa and kitchen table turn into beds. Killer stereo with inside, outside speakers and subwoofer inside, power vent, ceiling fan, Harley Davidson Tins Throughout, lights galore, Etc.Now. Heading towards the rear of the camper, before you open the door to go into the garage, you find a upper bunk that can sleep a couple more people. Then you open the door to the garage / toy hauler. You will see / find a 12FD garage with D-rings mounted recessed into the floor, which will hold 3 motorcycles or whatever you have as far as toys go. Also, when toys aren't occupying the garage area, it turns into a bedroom in a matter of minutes, as I have a carpet that is the same width / length that rolls out end to end, and with a push of a button, 2 beds that are on tracks flush with the ceiling. Come down and can sleep 2 to 4 additional people. Now we will step outside. You have the nice graphics on the outside of the camper, 6 new tires, awning that matches the graphics on the Camper Checkered Flag. Bonus, 3 additional awnings covering the slide outs, rear swing down door, rear spotlights, 25-gallon fuel storage with pump and handheld nozzle, outdoor shower, dual batteries a couple years old, Owens 5500 generator up front, and so much more. This 2007 Fleetwood GearBox 40FD fifth wheel toy hauler is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This toy hauler is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2007 Fleetwood GearBox 40FD fifth wheel toy hauler can be yours.